Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys my step-by-step plan to get rich in 2025. So I want to show you guys what I want to do. First thing, second thing, third step, everything I plan to do this year in 2025 to make a lot of money and to break out of small money. So if you're enjoying this kind of video, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Stick around. If you are seeing me for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is David and I share a lot about self-improvement and how to make money online basically. So like and subscribe and let's get straight into the video. Now my first plan or my first vehicle that I want to use to make money this year is called freelancing. Now if you are my OG follower, you have been following me since day one, you know I make videos about freelancing, about Fiverr, Upwork, making money online, selling your skills and making dollars, right? So my plan is to learn my skill very well, learn my skill well. The skill I'm learning right now is 3D. Some of you already know. So and then sell it online on different platforms, sell it to people all over the world and make money for it with it, make dollars. So if you are interested in freelancing, you can check out my old videos. I've made this video on how I made $300 freelancing on Upwork. It's one of my popular videos. You can check it out. And yeah, so basically freelancing is one of my vehicles I want to use this year, and it's definitely one that you should check out because you can work from anywhere in the world just with your laptop and your data connection and your skill. Make sure you have a good skill, then you can make money anywhere, anytime, at any place. So that's my number one vehicle. Another thing I want to make money from this year is content creation, especially this YouTube channel, YouTube content creation. As you might already know, I've been on YouTube for about going to 2-3 years now, right? I've had over 2,000 subscribers, but I've not monetized this channel yet. So this year, definitely I plan to monetize this channel, right? And I know you guys want to help me out with that. And the only way you can do that is by watching my videos, subscribing to the channel, commenting and sharing to a friend that will find this video useful or find this video helpful. So if you're also looking for ways to make money this year, you don't know how you want to do it, some of these things I'm doing might be a way for you to also check out, right? So YouTube content creation is my number two vehicle or my number two plan to get rich this year. It's not like my plan B, it's like another means of income, you guys, like another stream. They always say you cannot depend on one source of income. Make sure you have multiple streams of income. So YouTube content creation is another vehicle, right? Now, my third vehicle or another vehicle I'm going to use to make money, a lot of money this year and to get rich is cryptocurrency, to be specific, or to more specific, airdrops to more specific, right? So most of you that are my new viewers, most of you know me with crypto content. When me I made videos about all this Bloom tutorial, Hamster, not AI, and so on and so forth. So I've been into crypto for a little over maybe years too, right? About 2 years now. Some small, I can say, relatively good money, but it's not good enough. It's still small to me. So this year I want to double down on my crypto journey. I want to take it more seriously. I want to go into some more good job projects that are more promising and make money from it also. Because I have friends, I know of people that have made good money from crypto airdrops, right? So I plan to do more of that also this year, 2025, right? And if you remember last year when I made this video in January of 2024, I said that I was going to do crypto and I was going to do freelancing. So it has basically been the same things I've been going after, right? And that consistency is what is going to take you to where you are. Don't be someone that say today I want to do freelance, tomorrow I want to do graphic design, next tomorrow I want to learn work, the other day I want to do crypto. Just be consistent with whatever you are doing. It might be multiple like me, but be consistent with it, right? Just stay with it. Keep on posting, like, keep on creating content. If it's content you want to do, upon learning your skill and get hunting for jobs, and definitely you will get that your desired result, that desired destination. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. If you did, make a like and subscribe as always, and also share this video with friends. And I'm pretty sure and believe that this year 25 is our year. We're going to make some good money this year. I know I've not been too consistent, but grace of God, I'm going to post more content. So stick around, subscribe to my channel to get notified, and we're all going to make it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.